In this video, we're going to be talking about texture. Texture is how something feels, how you touch it. So this table is smooth. This stuffed animal is soft. This piece of sandpaper is bumpy. So you're going to be looking for textures around your house. Now, because I am not going to have somebody follow me around the house trying to find textures, I have some textures here. But you're going to take some copy paper. You're going to fold your copy paper in half, matching up your sides. Hold your hand in the middle, making sure it is staying nice and tight, and then take your other hand and go up and over and up and over. This will make sure that you have a nice fold. I'm going to fold my paper again in half, and then I'm going to open it up. I want to create texture in 1, 2, 3, 4 different spaces, and I want you to try and create 12 different textures. So you're probably going to need 3 of these and then an extra one. So we'll get started. You're also going to need a bunch of crayons, and I want you to try and do different colors. So here is one crayon. Well, if we just do the table, we can see that this table is smooth. So I'm going to fill this entire square, or most of this square, in with a smooth texture. When I'm done, this is where your texture hunt's going to go. When I'm done with that, now you're going to go around your house and you are going to hunt for a variety of different textures. So I'm going to take a different color because I don't want to be using the same color, and I'm going to try something else. So here I have a cheese grater, and I'm going to place my paper on top of the cheese grater, and you might need to have your parents help you with this, and I'm going to hold this down and I am going to rub. And I might have to move my paper. I'm going to move my paper around. And like I said, it's going to be easier for you to go around the house and find different textures. So for instance, a texture might be a grate, like a heating grate you have. Or I know Alexa, if you have an Alexa, there are little circles on Alexa. Here's the sandpaper. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a different color. I'm going to try, I already did purple. Let's try green. Now I'm going to put this on top here, and I'm going to press down. Well, try not to rip your paper. You don't want to do that. But you can see the different textures that you are going to create. So your job right now is to go and hunt and try and come up with 12 different textures that you could find around the house. And again, you might want to have some help with your parents to help you kind of hold the paper and get those textures down if you need to. And be careful you're also not coloring on the items that you're doing. I'm sure mom and dad don't want crayon on the wall or on anywhere else. So just be careful. So you want to try and have 12 different textures. So enjoy your texture hunt, and then watch the next video so you'll know what to do with the textures once you have them all. Have fun hunting.